Turning my famous Bananas Foster layer cake into cupcakes today. The classic combination of banana cake, sauteed caramelized rum bananas, and of course, caramel rum buttercream. Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Yep, it's totally easy to turn your favorite layer cakes into cupcakes. So let's get to doing just that with my best recipe for banana cake. Now, this cake recipe was developed a few years ago, so the egg replacer that I was using was the vegan egg by Follow Your Heart. I have since then been trying to stay away from proprietary blend egg replacers as much as possible, since they can just be unreliable, and then what will we do if they change their formula or you just can't get it anymore? So I've gone back to developing my recipes with ingredients that we all can get, and I provide those substitutions on my website for all the ingredients. So be sure to always click through to gretchensveganbakery.com to get all of that information, as well as the printable recipe with all the step-by-step instructions. But basically, this recipe is a straight-up creaming method recipe with mashed bananas added at the end. I am baking the batter into jumbo muffin tins this time with no liners, so be sure to grease the pans really well. With my professional bakery pan grease recipe from my bakery days, you will never have stuck cakes again. So while those cupcakes are baking, you will make the caramel sauce recipe, and it's simply cooking sugar with a bit of lemon juice until it's caramelized. Just be really careful when cooking sugar because it will burn your skin right off if you get it on you. So add the vegan butter and the plant milk, and then just set that aside to cool. And now we can make the caramelized bananas Foster. This is the literal star of this banana cupcake recipe. By melting some vegan butter with brown sugar in a large saute pan, you will get those banana slices cooking. You will see that they will start to brown and get all nice and caramelized, and then you can hit it with that rum. The alcohol cooks off and evaporates, leaving behind that amazing rum glaze. Now, of course, if you are alcohol free, you can totally leave it out altogether. So once the bananas are nice and caramel, set them aside to cool, and now you can make your caramel buttercream. With some of that cooled caramel sauce and more rum, just add it to your favorite recipe for buttercream. Again, all the links for all the recipes are below this video in the box at gretchensveganbakery.com. And now for the fun part. Take all of those recipes you just made and start building the best cupcake you will ever try. I mean, this is not just an ordinary cupcake. This is an entire dessert experience. Comment below, are you a cupcake person or a cake slice person? With this fab creation, I think I'm gonna have to go cupcake for the win, even though that Bananas Foster cake was totally amazing. Oh, it's so hard to decide. But let me know below which way you're gonna go, cupcake or cake. All right, everyone, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.